Myself, you guys. Damn. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look like I'm naked, but I'm not. Should I change since I look so naked? I feel really uncomfortable. I now look slightly less naked. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you know, I have really short hair, but that doesn't stop me from wanting long hair or wanting hair extensions. So I got hair extensions from Zala. I just got 14-inch hair extensions. I don't know how they're gonna really blend with my hair because my hair is so short. I think it needs to grow a little bit more before it's able to like blend, but we're just gonna try it out today, okay? And my hair is also ridiculously thick, but like I have an undercut now, so I don't know. We're just gonna like see how this goes. So I've already like opened these and like tested the color and everything. Honestly, the color, like I just got my hair like redone today. Like I got my roots done and got it toned. So the color does not match as well as it did before. After I wash my hair a couple times, I'm sure it'll be fine again. That's how toners work. But so they came in this like box, very cute. It's really good for like storing your extensions in. And then it comes with like this booklet about hair extensions, and then it comes with like a little sample size of the hair extension shampoo and the smooth talker hair extension conditioner, and then also a little treatment. Honestly, my real hair needs a treatment more than these extensions do. These are like so silky and smooth. I also like pre-curled them. Yeah, so I got like the 9-piece set. So it comes with like three pieces, like this one, 2 like 5 pieces, like these, that's another 3 pieces, 2 of these like long ones, and then 2 pieces, and 2 1 pieces. So it's like, I forget how many grams this one is, but it's like I don't know, it's like the 9-piece, so it's like thick. They have like a 5-piece and a 9-piece. So I got the 9-piece in Beachy Blonde, and yeah, and it's like 14 inches. My theory was that like shorter ones would blend a little bit better with my hair, so that's the goal since my hair is like so short. So I don't know, let's try to put them in my hair and see if I can even wear these. I did try putting these in my hair before, but I was in kind of a rush and it looked absolutely disgusting. What should I start with? I think you're supposed to start with a 3 clip. God, I'm in a mess of these. Is there 3 5 pieces? No, there's 2. Wish me luck. Okay, so I literally just whipped that bitch in there like that. I love a mullet queen. Oh, okay. I clipped some of my like front hair in there. Oh, it's a little like loose. I think it'll be fine. No, it's coming right out of my hair. My hair's like so soft right now. It like doesn't even want to take the extension, you know? I love how like soft your hair is when it gets freshly done, because like, I don't know, I like hate blow drying my hair, so I never will like blow dry it smooth. I'll just like rough dry it a lot, and then it's like frizzy and not super soft. When someone else blow dries it and takes the time to like make it smooth, it's like so nice. I'm gonna do a 5 clip. I also have a pretty small head. I have like way too much hair and then just like a tiny ass head. I don't know why. I'm a pinhead. Big body, small head. That piece wasn't open, that may help. Guys, I'm kind of doing this without a mirror. This is not smart. Like, I'm doing this without seeing the back of my head at all. Is that good? I don't know. Ooh, you guys. Who is she? And then I'm just gonna go like ever so slightly above where I put that clip. I feel like this is where you have to put them pretty close together in order to get all the pieces in. The other 5. Flip that baby in. Ooh. Damn, girl. I used to actually wear extensions like all the time in high school. I would just get them from like Sally's Beauty, and they were like pretty long. They were quite thin though, and I thought it looked really good. And I have like thick hair, and I was out here wearing these thin ass hair extensions. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what my friends and family were thinking. Let me run around like that. I see some ratchet hair extensions out there, you guys. Honestly, these are probably gonna be like that. If they look super ratchet, I'm honestly never gonna wear them in public. We'll see though. Time will tell. I kind of think I want to like off-center this third 3 clip piece. so that a little bit more hair is on this side. Is that a good idea? I don't know. It's been a while. Maybe just like a little bit. What like helps your extensions sit too, or like kind of like clip into your hair a little better, is just kind of like, I like to wiggle it around a little bit at the root. Especially if your hair is like freshly washed, it might be like really smooth and stuff when it's like clean. So it might be hard for like the hair to, or for like the clip to latch onto it. Okay, so the bag's like basically done. How does that look, you guys? I literally don't know. Can you see? How ugly does that look? I'm gonna take a look. It's honestly looking pretty ratchet. I look like I have a freaking mullet. I look like Joe Dirt. Then I'm trying to put this like as close to the hairline as I can without it being like seen, because like I need it to blend with my super short hair. It's like too soft. This is ugly. I somehow need like more hair than what they gave me. I mean, from like afar, I feel like it's not that bad. Guys, all I have left is like 1 clip pieces, and I feel like I need so much more. Does that blend at all? It kind of does a little bit, I think. Who is she? Okay, should I put it on this side? Ooh, look at that. What if I just tuck it all? And then I have this like... Interesting. I feel like one pieces are literally just made to like put them where you need them, you know what I mean? I could put it down here too. Like right here. That does not feel very stable, but it's okay. We're not going out. I just feel like the extension hair is like too perfect to match with my like real hair. Like I need to like rough it up a bit. Honestly, I feel like the color match was a little bit better before I got my hair done, but like it just toned a little bit darker than the extensions. But like after I wash my real hair a couple times, it'll blend like so much better. I'm just gonna like put some texture around the extensions. But that kind of helps, I feel like. It's kind of cute. And then maybe if I kind of like accessorize, ow. Ah! I just rammed this right into a clip and it like pulled my hair so hard. Let's not do that. It's too much hair for it to close. There we go. You can't see it. Yeah, there we go. Just do a little bit of accessorizing. Honestly, I don't know what the back looks like. How bad does it look? Does it blend? Tell me in the comments. I'll know when I like edit, but it's fine. Especially, guys, if I go like far away, it's kind of cute, right? Like I could go out like this, like, because if it was like really dark and everybody was drunk and I was like dancing, so I was like never still, like you wouldn't know. No one would know, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's really cute. I'm feeling myself, you guys. Damn. Guys, also, okay, this texture spray, I've been using this like every single freaking day. It is amazing. It's from, I think the brand is called Design Me, but their dry texture spray is called Puff Me, and I'm like seriously obsessed with it. They used this on me at the hair salon once and I was like, I need that in my life. Instant body fullness and refresher, and it smells pretty good. And all this brand's like packaging is so cute. Like look at this color. I have their leave-in conditioner. It's called like I forget what it's called, but it's something me. That's their thing. Like, it's like puff me, clean me, moisturize me, you know, just really cute. And it's like, it works amazingly. I was thinking also like maybe if we do like a headband moment, that'd be cute. Oh, Blair Waldorf. Who is that? Who is she? You guys. She's cute. Okay, I was really worried I was gonna regret this decision, like the extensions, when my hair is still this short, but I'm actually so happy, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments how disgusting it actually looks in the back, because I can't see it. Right, I honestly, you could see every single track and I wouldn't know it. I feel like everything's hidden. I don't know how well like this hair blends though. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tune in on Friday for a new mukbang. I post videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram at Mira Morse. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful, fantabulous day, and peace out.